Hello everyone, how are you? I am Tanupriya and I welcome all of you who believe in dreams and believe in hard working. So I want to encourage you to work towards your goal and achieve success. So in this video I will tell you about the other word, the synonyms of encourage, that is exhort. So it is exhort. EXHORT. It means strongly encourage or urge someone to do something. I exhort all of you to do something to do better in your life.
Good morning, everyone. Today I will share with you question words. We use question words to ask certain type of things or information. So my first question word is what? And very common question. What is your name? My name is Nishat Kareem. Where? Where is asking about the place or a position. Where did you live?
Hello, sir, ma'am, and all my friends. A warm good evening to all of you. It's me, Krishna Maurya, and I am in front of all of you to share my view and opinion about the topic demonetization. Demonetization is successful step or a failure. So I am in the favor of demonetization. So basically, what is demonetization? Demonetization is the act of stripping a currency as a legal tender. Mostly, basically, what government do in this? They remove the current legal currency from the circulation and system, and they replace it by infusing the current by infusing new currency in the form of notes or coin in the circulation and system. So basically, though two-time demonetization has happened in the past, but I would like to share my opinion about the demonetization that happened on 8th November 2016 after the announcement of Honorable Prime Minister of India.
Hello everyone, good evening. Sarita is here, and friend, today I have some sentence of present perfect continuous tense. So friend, let's start. My first sentence is, has your friend been dancing since morning? Oh yes, my friend has been dancing since morning. No, my friend has not been dancing. Have you been learning English for last 1 month? Oh yes, I have been learning English for last 1 month. No, I have not been learning English for last 1 month.
Hi friends, now I'll be talking about phrasal verbs. We have to know what phrasal verbs are because they are so prevalent in these days in both in written English as well as in spoken English. Now I'll give small presentation about phrasal verbs. The first thing come to our mind is what are phrasal verbs? Phrasal verb is a combination of word that could be with the verb with preposition or verb with adverb.
Good morning, friends. How are you all? I'm sure you all are fine and safe at your end. Today I would like to talk about the.
My name is Nisha. I live in Kerala. I am preparing for PhD. In my house there are 6 members, my parents, my 2 sisters and a brother. My father retired from army and my mother is a housewife. And my passion is traveling. I love to read books and listening to music. Thank you.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and good. I'm also fine. So friends, this is Seema once again before you with a new topic. Today I'm going to tell you some proverbs related to money. So let's get started. So friends, my first proverb is money doesn't grow on trees. Yeah, money doesn't grow on trees means it's not easy to get money. We have to work hard for it. Yeah. My second proverb is time is money. Yeah, time is money means time is very valuable. We shouldn't waste it. For example, I don't want to stay at home and wait anymore. Time is money.
Good evening, sir. My name is Kamaljit Kaur. I belong to Rajpura. I am a housewife. There are three members in my family: my husband, my son, and I. My husband is work in private company. My father is a painter. My mother is a career woman. I hail from Rajpura. I put up at Rajpura in Patiala.
Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all are well, fit and fine in this lockdown. First of all, I tell you about myself. My name is Anthony Fernandez. I am a financial consultant. Today I will tell you about something called retirement planning. Why it is important, why early retirement is important, why you have to plan retirement, otherwise what effects if
Hello everyone, this is your friend Rajnikant Bharti once again before you in the series of awareness of hearing loss. How you all friends? I hope you are well. Friends, this is important to you know what is the symptoms of hearing loss. If you know symptoms of hearing loss, you will be easily prevent yourself from hearing loss. In this video, I am telling about what is audiology and what is an audiologist. First, what is audiology? Audiology is the profession dealing with the assessment and management of the hearing loss and ear-related balance disorders. The audiologist is also involved in promoting healthy ears and hearing habits and preventing or minimizing disability due to the hearing loss or balance disorders.